Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today I am going to explain you what is social contract. Social contract is a theory related to the origin of states. According to this theory, state is neither a product of God nor state was established due to fear. Rather, state is a man-made institution and the people of that period signed a contract between them in which they surrendered their authority, their sovereignty to someone. Why did they surrender their authority to a particular person? To make that particular person authorize to form laws and policies so that a protected environment could be ensured. Before the formal creation of state, the period is known as state of nature. So to overcome the issues of state of nature, they signed a contract and formed and founded the modern day nation. That is all about social contract. What is the central assumption of this theory? That state has been created by man consciously, and they created this state while entering into a contract. That is all about social contract theory. In next part, I am going to explain social contract theory according to different theorists, like what is the point of view of Thomas Hobbes, John Locke and Rousseau about social contract. Take care. Allah Hafiz.